And we're gonna do this, okay?
We got this great student chef competition.
I love to cook and it just makes me happy to be cooking.
Our theme for the meal is your favorite fruit or vegetable side dish. We had over 240 submissions for recipes. Right now we have about 5 finalists that are going to be preparing their meals from scratch.
I'm making zucchini fritters.
Creamy broccolini.
Plantain scoops. Watermelon Feta Salad. I'm making a super veggie rice bowl. It's a rice bowl that combines lots of vegetables.
Remember, you gotta hold it down.
Each of the students is going to be preparing their side dish for the judges here.
I've never been in a cooking competition before, and I've never really cooked without my parents with me.
And they have about an hour to do so. So they'll be doing all the prep, all the cutting, all the dicing, preparing a lot of their meal for the judges to taste and to be judged.
I just wanted to try something new, and I really like cooking.
My mom told me, oh, do you want to do this? And I was like, sure, Mommy. I was very inspired by my dad and my mom and my sister as well, cooking a lot, and I really want to cook as well.
Adds a little life to the culinary aspect of what we do, and it's fun for the kids.
I'm making the sauce for the watermelon feta salad.
I think you'll find that as they move along in their student career, this will be something that they remember.
They do kind of start to look like mashed potatoes.
We have many of our staff who, have raised their hand and said, I want to be part of it. A couple of them have done it before and remember how fun it was, and so they're really excited to be part of it.
Just plating them and put sesame seeds.
We've been planning this for several months. It takes a village, so to speak. This is a special event, and it's been about 4 years since it's happened. I know it's been a favorite here in Lake Washington School District, so we're excited to kick it up and get it going again.
It was not hard at all. We managed and it turned out great.
242 entries. You were the top 5. So you should feel pretty good. Those numbers are pretty impressive.
It was really fun, and the chef mentor made it really easy, and she helped me a lot.
Wow, this looks great.
It's a good-natured competition.
Tell me a little bit about what the changes were.
The cucumbers and the onions.
And then broccoli, there's so much time to replicate it.
We call it a competition, but really it's a lot of fun. It's getting them here.
Beautiful.
It's delicious. I ate every drop of every single little serving that I got. They were creative, they were inventive, they were healthy, and every last one of them was really passionate about what they were doing.
I learned that chicken flour is a substitute of egg or helps bind stuff.
Oh, this was fantastic. Dishes back there, all excellent. They all had a great presentation.
This looks delicious.
Food is awesome. I think everyone had a great time.
Should I put any sauce on there or no sauce?
I love all of them. It would be hard to be a judge, that's for sure.
Food's actually really, really good. I like the fritter and watermelon salad.
They've been telling me that it's very good, and they really like the tomatoes on top because it's very refreshing.
Competition is very steep. The recipes were all wonderful.
Everyone is successful here, and everyone scored within just a few points of each other. So you should all be proud of what you've accomplished here today.
And I want to recognize the future chefs. Your food was delicious.
The grand prize winner here of our cookware set and cookbooks is Charlotte Chong.